scaling with Sparks. In this video, I will show you how to deal with one of the most common graph and chart problems, namely dealing with scales across multiple graphics. In this example here, we can see that we have two charts side by side with different axis scales. This can lead to a confusing or misleading interpretation of charts and graphs. To deal with this problem, we need to set the charts to the same scale. Start by selecting one of the graphics and opening the Sparks Manager. Now click on the Scaling category to open the parameter fields. Click the button to the right of the Y max field and select the value range used to make all charts. Now to keep the x-axis from shifting, for example if we had negative values in our data set, I will set the Y min value to 0. Confirm this with OK. Now I'll go ahead and repeat all these steps for all other charts. Now as you can see, the scaling is now the same for all charts and the values and column heights are directly comparable. If any values in our dataset change, the scaling remains in place and the charts change dynamically with changes we make to the data. In this way, you can easily scale Sparks graphics to make easily comparable charts.